Hello, David here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2026 Sea Ray 21 SPX. 21 SPX is considered a stylish, practical sport boat, spacious cockpit, designed for water sports and entertaining on the water. You can see we have a horizon color with a black hull. We have a Dune interior, sea deck on the swim platform, lots of other features on the boat. Let's get up on deck and take a look. Okay, we moved up on the bow of this beautiful boat. As you can see, there's plenty of room up here. There's an anchor storage right here in the very front of the boat, ties off. There's recessed cup holders, grab handles, speakers up here, plenty of room, storage underneath these seats. As I come back, of course, we have our windshield that latches open or closed. New for 2025-26 is they expanded the storage in here. This actually goes all the way up underneath the front seat. Tons of room in there. There's a cover in there right now and the propeller and the owner's manual and stuff like that. As we move back, there's a ski locker under my feet. Up here on the helm, new for 26, is this integrated Simrad screen. This is wider, so you can do multiple screens. Used to have a 9 or a 16 or what have you. Now it's a nice wide screen with plenty of coverage. This boat does have the entertainment package, so you have the Fusion stereo system. That's a 5-channel amplifier with a subwoofer, 4 speakers. You also get interior lighting with the entertainment package. Of course, our captain's chair, flip-up bolster, our rotating backrest, brand new, a little stiff yet. Tons of storage, a sun pad, a water sports tower above my head. This boat's powered with a Mercury 250 horsepower V6 engine. It is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, take a look. Let's go through the rest of the boat. Thank you.